personalized learning and AI in continuous evaluation. So this National Education Policy 2020 has given us a clear direction that assessment should move beyond marks, move beyond standardized testing and towards a more holistic, student-centric approach. And that is exactly where the AI, artificial intelligence, and technology can be a game changers. So the why personalized learning in the this model or NAP 2020. So every student is a unique and each one has a different pace, learning style and set of strength. But this traditional assessment treat all students the same. So there is personalized learning powered by AI can adapt to individual learning needs, ensuring that no student is left behind or forced into a one size fits all model. So imagine a classroom where a student struggling with a concept gets instant feedback while another student who has mastered it moves ahead to the next challenge. So this is the adaptive learning in action, making evaluation a continuous and meaningful process rather than one-time judgment. So how AI support continuous and adaptive evaluation? So AI-driven systems analyze student performance, track progress, provide real-time feedback. So AI-powered adaptive assessment. So platforms like Filino, Khan Academy use AI to customize quizzes and exercises based on the students' previous responses, adjusting the difficulty level dynamically. So then real-time feedback and predictive analytics. So tools like Google Classroom with AI integration, Socrative allows teachers to identify learning gaps instantly. So AI can predict which topic a student might struggle with before they even attempt a test. Then gamification and interactive learning. So apps like Duolingo, quizzes use AI to make assessment fun, engaging, and stress-free, ensuring that students learn without the fear of failure. Then there are some AI tools for continuous evaluations. Now let us see some of the AI tools for the Edemo and Classcraft. So use AI to track student engagement and suggest personalized learning activities. Turn-in with AI, not just plagiarism detection, but also an AI-assisted writing feedback tool is available. Canva for education. So AI-driven creative assessment where student can demonstrate learning through infographics and storytelling. So the role of educators in AI-driven assessment. So while AI is a powerful tool, it doesn't replace teachers. It empowers them. As an educator, our role is to curate the best digital tools, interpret AI generated insight, and provide human guidance. So AI can help, AI can assist, but empathy, creativity, and mentorship remains irreplaceable. So looking ahead with AI, assessment becomes an ongoing dialogue rather than one-time verdict. So as we move forward, let us adopt, embrace these tools not just to grade students, but to guide them, support them, and help them discover their full potentials. So let us create a future where assessment are not burdens but the opportunities for the growth. So once again, I thank you everyone.